Hey guys, Gavin here. Today I'm going to be doing a video of the 52-inch Craftmade decorative ceiling fan installed in the living room at my friend's condo. Here's the all of these clairs that I just did a video of earlier today. Both of those work, but she was supposed to. Whoa. This is the oak side. One of the blade pitches. Let's turn on the light. Yeah. It's down low. Has a schoolhouse like it on it. Has low speed. And this globe right here, that's fragile. It's glass, whatever they call it. Here's all low. So, medium.
What the hell are you doing?
And
I feel good, man. Well, yeah, probably because you're fucking eating all kinds of bullshit.
Still not high. Like, it's like cool with this fan. I always enjoy myself. Yeah.
Sick. And I'm like, you know what? No, I'm fucking.
Turn off the switch. Turn this fan the way I saw them when I just got here yesterday.
Anytime I start to like get healthy or stop doing something I'm doing, I get fucking sick.
So how the reason Claire because of the.
You want to try top right?
I feel like they probably up there. Since they're so thick, I feel like they're going to go pretty fucking slow.
Yeah, because it's going to burn.
Slow, but not, you know,
Yeah.
good heat around.
So yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.